Yeah, okay, hello. And now I want to again to practice speaking and reading in English. And for today, day 66, the topic is the five whys. Good morning, Olivia. Olivia, morning, Did you hear about yesterday outage? Yes, the logic, the login service stopped working for 15 minutes. That's right. I heard we're having a post incident meeting. We are. Are we trying to find out who made the mistake? No, really. We're trying to understand what happened. And then the meeting begins. Engineering manager. Good morning, everyone. Jim. Good morning. Today goal isn't to blame anyone. Hmm. Yeah. Today goal is to learn. Where should we start? With one simple question. Which one? Why did the login service stop? Because the database connect failed. Good. So that's the answer. Not yet. No. Why did the database connection fail? Because the connection pool was full. Good. Another why exactly. Why was the connection pool full? Because connection weren't being released properly. So that's the root cause. Let's keep going. Another why. Yeah, another why. Why weren't the connection released? A few features introduced a bug. Now we know. Do we? Not yet. One more question. Why wasn't the bug detected before employment? QA engineer. We didn't have an automated test for the scenario. So the real problem wasn't only the bug. Exactly. It was also the missing test. Now you're thinking deeper. Let's summarize. The outage happened because, not just because of one thing. There were several contributing factors. Exactly. Then after the meeting. What meeting was different? How so? Nobody said what whose fault it was it. Did you notice the question instead? Yes. What were they? Why did this happen? Good. Why was that possible? Excellent. And why didn't we watch it earlier? Exactly. Is this what people call the five whys? Yes. Does it always take exactly five questions? Not necessarily. Then why is it called that? Because five is usually enough to move past the obvious answer. Can this technique be used outside software? Absolutely. For example, imagine a factory. Okay, a machine suddenly stopped. Why? A belt broke. Why? It was worn out. Why? It wasn't replaced on schedule. Why? The maintenance remind wasn't working. So fixing the belt alone isn't enough. Exactly. I like that approach. Why? Because it feels fair. How? It focuses on improvement the system, not attacking people. Exactly. Can I add something? Always. What if someone actually made a mistake? People make mistakes. Then what? Ask another question. Which one? What allow the mistake to reach production? So we improve the process. Exactly. I remember my first bug. Yeah. I was embarrassed. That's normal. Now I realize what every bug is also an opportunity to improve the system. That's the mindset of a strong engineering team. Before everyone leaves, we'll add an automated phase. Agreed. We'll update the deployment checklist. Sounds good. and will improve monitoring. So we're fixing more than one thing. Exactly. Today changed the way I think about mistakes. How instead of asking, yeah, who caused this, you will ask, what can we improve? Exactly. One question at them. Yeah, one question at them. One improvement at them. Yeah, one improvement at them. One lesson at them. Yeah, one lesson at them. And one stronger system at them. Of course, one is stronger system at them. And today I learned the technique about the 5 whys. This is a method, a simple method, but it's very effective for search the root cause for something. And my favorite sentence for today is, instead of asking who caused this, ask what can we improve. And this is the culture engineering is good. Okay, thank you for watching.